La VOD a commencé, on se retrouve sur le meilleur jeu. Enfin, le jeu qui m'a le plus surpris en ce moment en tout cas. Et ben, on va continuer cette carrière qui est magnifique. Je critiquais le 2018. Et en vrai, j'avais acheté le 2018. J'avais envie de pleurer. Mais moi, le 2019 me surprend. Bien fait de l'acheter.
I'm just surprised they let you through those metal detectors with all that steel posting through those broke knees, Jack.
Classic Tatum. All set up and no punchline. You sure you know how to play this game, man? Hmm? Last time I checked, we weren't getting
AI, Howie, Jackson.
Hold up, freeze frame! Money, whenever you need it. ATM is in the building. What's up?
I'm confused. What is happening? Oh, this is great. It's like a horror movie that ever. And ATM. Smoke.
Attends, Atem, il était pas dans le 2018?
And you definitely won't see us go. Better check your wallet, son, cause you just got jacked. Hey, who's your little tag-along gang, Tater? Looks like they got laws at the last week's Bieber concert. Bieber! Bieber!
Man, please with all this middle school trash talk. I used to study your moves coming up, Ellis. I'm gonna be like a shadow tonight. Anywhere you are, that's where I'll be.
Ooh, looks like we got ourselves a player, ATM.
Yeah. First name A, last name I. From what we've seen, artificial intelligence pretty much sums up your whack game.
Okay, well, you better have all your money in the safe, ATM. Because this crowd's about to see exactly how two dinosaurs went extinct.
Is that right? Well then, talk's over, little man. We're gonna make it our personal mission to make sure that every scout sees the tape of this here game, uses it as an example to show where your career will take out.
Look, enough.
Wouh, ça chauffe, hein?
Let's play.
Ça chauffe dans les gradins ici.
Smoke and mirrors. Out.
Ow.
Man, please. They all talk.
Whoa, don't fool yourself, kid. They used to be in the league for a reason. We underestimate them, they will bury us.
On est parti du con. On va les grailler.
Welcome everyone to another game of Mad Ants basketball. I'm Blake Suniga alongside Tim Swartz and Brian Vanafatemi. We have a great game in store for you tonight.
Well, I know Mad Ants fans have been waiting for this game as AI, the viral dunk legend, has made his way here via trade. Tonight is his debut, and it'll be a fun one.
And as fun as it will be for the Mad Ants to see what AI can do, they'll have their hands full with Ellis and ATM.
Concentré on est. Comme le lait. Ouais, je fais même vanne que d'autres personnes, c'est pas grave.
Every move he makes, he does with precision and purpose. I mean, sometimes it seems like he's winging it out there, but he knows exactly what he's doing with the ball at all times.
Ah, faut les mettre au bout d'un moment.
Yeah, there's no way you expect him to miss.
C'est mon joueur, gros.
Even me, I've been out of the league for so many years, but I think I can still step on the court and knock down that jumper.
Young gets the bucket.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Much to be said about Young, other than he's a standout player.
Has an edge
Cette vision de jeu du meneur. Allez, retour en zone, je te graille.
but hopefully he's just a player focused on improving his game.
Tu vas aller à la retraite plus tôt, mon vieux. C'est ta carrière qui a fini, pas la mienne, mon gars. La mienne va s'envoler.
And just about a minute into this first quarter. AI.
Wouh! Retour en zone.
It's good, and he makes his first shot of the game.
There's the attitude they want to see from AI.
Bon, c'est pas encore dunké, hein, ça se voit. Hein.
Keeping the defense on the back foot.
We know the Swarm offense offense is all about. Smoke and mirrors. Ellis and Middleton are the engine for this team.
Ah putain, rupture défensive.
Bradley Jones.
What fantastic
J'ai laissé
communication
mon joueur
between
partir
teammates
là.
on the alley-oop.
And that's what you need to pull that off.
It was almost telepathic.
Telepathic, I think that's a good way to describe it. Both ends of that play were fantastic. And the offense, 3 of 4, a solid start to the game if I say so myself.
Ah,
And the foul called on AI.
dommage, trop gourmand.
That is his first foul
C'est
of
comme
the
ça.
game. To the middle. Knocked loose. Ellis. He's covered by Randolph.
Ouais les gars.
Well, you know that this offense is going to lean heavily on the smoke and mirrors pick and roll.
And even though they do it with some flash, credit Ellis and ATM for being very refined in how well they can execute the two-man game.
Now here is Tatum. Goes up with a stripe. He can't get that one to fall.
Good pick, but he just couldn't make it count.
And he still owes his teammate a big pat on the back for setting
Attention,
that
la balle.
solid screen. It's so hard to contain him. He gets it done however.
Elles sont où les techniques hein?
And here is AI. Pass to Trigg. Young. Here's AI.
Oh
Jackson Ellis.
Oh 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 Ah ça fait mal.
You slow up the whole team.
Yeah, but that's a lot easier said than done.
Ah ce
ATM
bâche.
and Ellis have found success by going with what works for them, and if you take one option from them,
Ce bâche que j'ai pris.
another way to hurt you.
Well, you allow a guy to get right to the rim.
Ça fait mal hein.
Really your only option.
Yeah,
C'est vraiment mal.
always better than a layup. I would agree with that.
J'ai souffert hein, mon petit cœur est en sang hein.
Of the game. And a big free throw right there to put them on top.
You know, he might rub some guys the wrong way, but Ellis is an outstanding.
Je sais plus pour quelle équipe je suis moi gros.
Just
Et ma
over a
droite.
minute has passed here in the second quarter.
Bon ça va, on a un point.
Game of smoke and mirrors. Both Ellis and ATM are
Un point devant, c'est déjà pas mal.
trash talkers.
Yeah, they will get in your face and let you have it if you can't slow them down. Part of dealing with the duo is just putting up with
Defense.
the trash they're gonna send your way.
Defense.
Part of what makes him so good.
Now here's Middleton. Clock at 4. Over AI. Middleton gets
Oh,
the
il me le met. Aïe 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 aïe.
Jump shot
Mon
alive.
petit cœur en sang, encore une fois.
This spot of the court.
pass to
Par contre,
Gray.
il a les pires spin moves, hein, mon perso. hein. Va falloir changer ça.
Left side Young. AI. That's in. Coming off an assist from Marcus Young.
Petite percée dans la raquette.
So well to lead his teammate right
On
to
gagne
the
des
open
fans.
spot.
The Swarm trailing. Well, if you recognize Jackson Ellis, there's a reason. He spent some time in the NBA before coming here to work his way back.
And Ellis is a guy who
Un
has
plaisir,
his
hein.
hands in everything. I think he's worked as a shoe rep in the past. Just a guy who is always around the game of basketball.
3 points.
For another.
Wouh 3 points.
About 8 of the last 10 points coming off the
Magnifique.
Nothing makes a coach happier than a display
Alors
of
Alice,
pure
tu veux
selfless
t'occuper de ma carrière, c'est ça?
And
Et Miskina, le trop cousin. Quoi, rupture défensive? Va te faire enculer, j'ai pris un bloc.
to the line for one. And he'll let you know it, but
En quel point j'ai une rupture défensive là?
as anybody in this league.
Well, Blake, confidence has never been a problem for Ellis. Even before he was teamed up with ATM, he was regarded as one of the future names in the league.
And that's out of bounds. Fort Wayne will retain possession.
Sortie de balle. Non, une sortie de balle en quel moment? Comment on dézoome? Mhm. Eh ben c'est lui qui la met dehors, c'est pas moi. En plus, elle sort pas de la ligne, frère. Bon, c'est pas grave. Je perds des points là-dessus, mais c'est pas grave.
And it's the Mad Ants with the ball.
Ah, démarquez-vous, la contre Taras, ça.
Down to 5 on the shot clock. With the shot. Grace.
Well, it's no secret that Marcus Young has his sights
Eh les gars, je suis meneur de jeu, mais il faut du mouvement un peu quand même.
on anyone willing to listen that he wants to be in the NBA. And to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised.
C'est vrai que je donne pas de contenu, mais bon.
Here is Tatum. The 3 from Marcus Young.
Je connais pas mon équipe, je suis nouveau.
Precision off the pass. Love seeing Young be decisive when he gets the ball.
Oh là, double bloc. Ah mais gros, mais... Les ruptures défensives, forcément gros.
It won't be close for long.
Les... Oh là là. Et les pivots, ils ont 2 de QI gros.
Glaring error defensively and letting him get all the way to the bucket.
Just need better defense.
Yeah, it's just 2 points though. Flashy 2 points, yes, but it's still just 2 points.
Now here's Randolph. Pass to AI. Takes the 3. Bishop with the rebound. And as you said, Young clearly has
Tir forcé ou
aspirations
pas?
beyond the G League.
Oh, no doubt. I mean, for Young, a lot of it is just learning how to work well within a system. The talent is there for sure, but he still needs to be more aware of what it takes to be successful with a group, not just on his own.
And the one knock on Young, as talented as he is, he seems to get wrapped up in his own numbers.
He could be
Ah,
so
j'ai cru que je
much
l'avais.
better than he is if he didn't worry about how many points he was putting up. Hopefully that is something.
Oh, j'en ai marre là. Mais rupture défensive, mais gros.
Tremendous
Putain, mais même dans des clubs les plus nuls de France, gros, on t'apprend que quand tu prends un putain de bloc, c'est le pivot. Enfin, c'est le défenseur du bloqueur qui prend.
Over to the wing. Back to Young.
Enfin, je trouve ça logique en plus.
AI. On the wing, Paul Tatum. Middleton defending. The turnaround jumper. The Swarm pull it in. And with ATM, surely his ability to move with his size is a handful to deal with.
He is surprisingly nimble for a player of his size. And
Ah, c'est compliqué là.
Ties it up. And his next one could give them the lead.
Ils font des saluts. Ils sont bizarres, hein.
Pretty tight.
Ah, j'en ai marre qu'ils mettent touche à chaque fois qu'il y a des lancers francs.
The third quarter now beginning. Both sides looking to pull away in the last half of the game. We're seeing a tremendous game from Jackson Ellis.
boy, he certainly shot his share of free throws in the first half. And those are nice, easy points to get if you can get them.
And they may have to rotate the defensive assignment on him from now
Ah, mais
on, just to
Tatum,
avoid foul trouble on any one player. You know, given how many fouls he's been drawing.
Yeah, change things up. Well, if you haven't read up on AI, the newest Mad Ant, he's been playing over in China.
Il rentre rien, mon perso.
Was apparently putting up some decent numbers for the Shanghai Bears when he was noticed by the scouts.
Now here's Young.
Poste.
AI outside. Pass to Randolph. Young to the paint. And it
Woo!
goes as the official calls the foul. Count it, and he'll shoot one more at the line.
And Brian, really, what a whirlwind past few days it must have been for AI.
Comes in from China, gets his bearings in LA, and is immediately traded over to Fort Wayne. Hard for any player to be at their best after going through so many changes in such a short span.
Oh, mais... Aïe, aïe, aïe!
And AI was on the Shanghai team, got good minutes developing over there.
Well, you can see that AI is a much more polished and confident player, Blake, than the last time we
On
saw
rate
him
tout, hein,
in
dans cette équipe.
college. He seems to have taken some major steps forward with his play during his time in China.
I think being the go-to option really helped his development.
Definitely. 1 for 4 from
Par contre, non, qui me disent tir forcé alors qu'il n'y a pas de défenseur, j'en ai marre, quoi.
ATM actually played his way into the league by
Oh, les gars,
performing well at
mettez-vous à la page un peu.
And it didn't happen immediately quietly for ATM. Took some tries before he was finally able to break through.
C'est vrai les passes de... les feintes de passes, c'est vrai que j'ai aussi.
And you really got to respect ATM for the work that he's put in.
The shot by Middleton, no good. The Mad Ants leading, down low. Here's AI. That falls. Nice feed that time from Paul Tatum.
I love the fearlessness. AI doesn't get nervous when the defense is on him inside.
Oui.
Now Ellis, 10 points for him. They set a pick. He claims
Ah mais mon perso il est fatigué.
and it falls.
Il a 0 appui parce qu'il est fatigué quoi.
Set up the jumper. That was the key to the play.
Well, we know that AI came over via trade. Officially, it was for cash considerations, but the rumors say it was something more specific.
Less of cash consideration,
Nice.
more of roast beef recompense. What I'm getting at is that
Ça c'est beau ça. Ça c'est le jeu que je veux voir là.
sandwich. Not a high point for him.
3 points d'avance.
He'll look back at some point and laugh
C'est pas beaucoup,
one would hope.
mais dans le mental c'est beaucoup, ok? Ça veut rien dire ce que je dis, mais c'est pas grave. Ça se juge pas ici. Wow, wow, wow.
Uncovered, and that one good.
He's looking for his ticket back to the
La
big
rupture défensive, ça fait mal au point. Hein. Enculé. Ah, je passe L. D'accord.
Outside Carter. And there's the pick. And the Mad Ants tack on 2 more.
Nobody really close to him, but he still hit a difficult off-balance shot.
Ellis outside. Buries it from 3-point range.
Oh, quoi?
Three-point shooter.
Quoi? Quoi?
Anytime you let him have those looks.
Rupture défensive?
Third quarter, but
Y'a rien à défendre.
offensively,
Il a 2 pas de la ligne de 3 points, y'a rien à défendre les gars. Donc les gars, vous faites un jeu de basket sans les règles de basket?
quarter, a terrific game so far. Greensboro trailing.
Enfin, au bout d'un moment, il y a une logique. Qu'est-ce que tu défends quelqu'un qui tire à 2... Regardez où est-ce qu'il est de la ligne.
Up again. Here's Zadirko. And he was fouled on the way.
Moi, excusez-moi, mais je peux rien faire contre ça. Les points ils descendent. Non, je suis noté A dans tous les NBA, pas C-. Ça fait mal, ça fait vraiment mal.
That's also good, so he hits both free throws. Here's Carter. Well, you talk to anybody on the Mad Ants, and they'll have a story to tell you about Howie Carter.
Carter is very well liked on the team and brings a good amount of balance to the locker room.
Nice.
Very outgoing player who helps the team bond. Yeah, I think AI
Donc lui il est chaud, il défend mieux et en plus il tire mieux mon perso.
very confident in that area.
Pas mon vis-à-vis quoi. T'as compris. Mais non, rupture défensive, mais forcément.
Bishop outside. Shot pocket
Gros c'est
for 3
c'est un point complet rupture défensive.
by Calderon. Tatum outside.
Non, c'est au pivot que je voulais la faire.
To the inside. Randolph.
Ouais gros.
Now Greensboro takes the other way.
Il prend des coups de physique notre pivot.
As ATM and
Oh les gars.
He tried explaining the
C'est chaud.
self-proclaimed nickname to me once. Something about needing money. I'm not really sure. To be honest,
Je pense quand même pas avoir la science infuse sur le basket, mais quand même il manque des points logiques. Par contre sort de la raquette. Ben oui.
time and got hit with the 3-second call.
You can tolerate gaps like that sometimes, but in a close game, they really hurt.
Ah ouais.
The ball. They trail by 3.
Il joue vachement serré comme sur ce
Just
jeu.
over a minute and a half of this fourth quarter.
Il se rame le cul mon perso.
Here's Middleton. Back to Bishop. Outside Middleton. Out of bounds. It'll be Mad Ants ball.
J'ai eu peur là. D'une rupture défensive. C'est vraiment un poil de cul.
One item that stood out is their ball movement.
Things are definitely clicking, and more importantly, it's tough to defend.
has increased the competitive level. Fair to say?
Oh, absolutely fair to say. Look, the NBA has been investing
En gros, par contre, lui,
more into making
ah lui, il va me déposer, ça se voit. Hein.
stepping stone for players who are on the verge of being NBA caliber, but they're just not quite there yet.
Shoots from the baseline. And yep, it finally drops after rolling around the rim.
Eh, il marque en face, hein. Pourquoi je suis tout le temps dans des équipes d'incapables? Moi, si je suis nul, c'est pas de ma faute, c'est à cause de mon équipe.
And he drops it in from the low post.
Ouais, j'ai à 14 points.
AI is a name that sounds familiar, and it's because he had a dunk that went viral not too long ago. A couple of showstoppers that occurred in an exhibition game against the NBA All-Stars. It was the biggest thing on the web.
Now the Mad Ants with it, leading by 5. Carter
Pousse-toi!
covered by Bishop.
Plus d'être épuisé quand il bouge pas, quand il est épuisé.
Left wing. AI outside. Carter.
Est-ce que je suis repassé meneur de jeu? Je crois, hein. Ouf!
Throws it down.
I get a sense that Trigg doesn't like to mess
En même temps, tu
around
m'étonnes,
with
c'est une
the
montagne, le gars.
He likes to make some noise.
La perche.
Now here's Ellis. And they've been looking
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
offensively.
Ah, d'accord.
In a big way here to regain some confidence.
Wouhou! Premier dunk de notre carrière ou pas?
Remember the Mad Ants. He was a player they went out of their way to get. Coach Keller seems
Bon,
to
c'est un double pas, mais... Enfin, un double pas.
A bit under 3.5 minutes of pass
Sauter à pieds joints, deux mains tendues. Et pas spectaculaire, mais... C'est un dunk, hein, les gars. C'est déjà pas mal.
That one good for 2.
Premier dunk de la carrière, c'est...
Has exactly what the team was missing. And
Putain, j'arrive pas à trouver mes mots.
about acquiring
Je suis ahuri aujourd'hui.
Yeah, and it's easy to see what Keller sees
Merde,
in
c'est
him
une
as
étape.
far as what the team is missing.
Bientôt, ça sera le Hall of Fame.
A lot of energy and has the potential to take
Les
this
All-Star
team
Game.
to the
Les
top.
dunk contests.
Smart
Ça
move
sera
by the
tout.
Mad Ants and Coach Keller to fight for his acquisition. A fight
Oh, mais gros balle perdue, mais... Oh, mais c'est pas... C'est pas dribbler mon perso aussi. Mais faites quelque chose. Je joue avec un trisomique. Il y a des problèmes moteurs, mon perso.
those were crucial foul shots.
Un meneur de jeu qui se pas dribbler, c'est la première fois que je vois ça quand même.
Missing any of those.
back to AI. And so he earns a trip to the line. Official saw the contact and he'll shoot 2.
You can tell AI learned a lot from his experience in China. It's
Ouais,
clear
franchement, il est nul à chier aussi dans tout mon perso. Il sait pas mettre un ballon. Il veut mettre timing tard alors que je peux pas faire plus parfait là.
three things, Tim. Discipline, control, and respect. Seems a bit
Donc
of a
pour moi c'est fait exprès je pense. C'est vraiment mais pousser à un point que notre perso soit nul. Je comprends pas qu'il veuille être en NBA gros alors qu'il sait pas mettre un point.
Ben Bishop. Ellis outside.
Contre des petites sections. Oh là là, rupture défensive. Je me prends des ruptures défensives dans les dents mais d'une simplicité. Je veux bien que je sois assez loin de lui mais les gars... Qui tire des 3 points sur ce cas? Alors tu tentes un 3 points, c'est vraiment quand t'es devant la ligne de 3 points que ton défenseur, genre, il monte pas sur toi, il est assez loin quoi. Moi je monte sur lui là. Sachant que je monte sur lui, j'accélère vers lui. Pour me déposer, il fait un départ au dribble. Je trouve ça plus logique moi. Et à la limite là tu peux me dire rupture défensive parce que j'ai pas réussi à suivre le move. Mais au bout d'un moment rupture défensive parce que monsieur tire. Protéger le rebond, j'ai rien protégé.
Here's Young. Nails it.
Major confidence under pressure. Young has the will and the attitude to be a big-time clutch player.
Here's Ellis. The bank shot, no good. A bucket here would give them a bit more room.
And no need to rush in place.
Wouh! Spectaculaire! Spectaculaire! Oh là 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 là, ça ambiance en plus. Ça ambiance. 2 dunks sur cette partie là. Mon step up. On step up. On est sur une évolution perpétuelle là sur ce stream là. Aïe 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 aïe. Et sur cette VOD aussi puisque, bien entendu, tout est retransmis sur la chaîne YouTube.
Off the screen. Nails it. Oh, and that cuts the lead to just 5.
Give an assist there, not for a pass,
Voilà.
but for the solid screen set on the inside that freed him up and made him
Oh, ça joue le temps. Genre en 23 secondes tu vas rattraper tous ces points. Ah quoi que 5 points c'est possible, mais bon, s'il met tous les lancers francs.
So the first one drops, and that increases their lead to 6.
Yeah, you know, it's important that Young develops his all-around game. He's a good scorer, but you want more than just that from him.
So he goes 2 for
Aïe
2
aïe
from
aïe
the
aïe
line.
aïe aïe.
And it's a 7-point ball game.
Ah les gars, c'est une défaite pour vous hein. Oh là je les laisse.
Right side, Middleton.
Mais putain.
Jacks up a 3.
Et mon perso il a la ramasse hein.
Just 4.
Vraiment, 2 de tension. Il sait pas dribbler. Insupportable. Ça c'est vraiment le truc que je déteste le plus au basket. Le cratage de points en fin de game. Parce qu'au pire nous on fait pareil. En tant qu'attaquant. Quand on défend. On sait qu'on est à les points d'avance. On n'a qu'à en récupérer d'autres. Ok on leur donne des lancers francs mais... Au moins on récupère la balle quoi. On peut tenter des 3 points aussi.
First free throw is good. And that puts them up
Mais bon,
high.
on s'en branle, nous on met
Both
des
teams
lancers
changing
francs.
it up here.
Marcus Young il rigole pas. C'est celui-là qui voulait pas nous laisser l'équipe. Toi, il va me remettre sur le terrain.
It's a win for the Mad Ants in the debut of AI. Strong game all around.
And it is rare to see it.
Ah non. C'est fin du match quoi. Peut pas passer ça là.
But that's going to do it for us here. For Tim Swartz and Brian Banafitemi, I'm Blake Zuniga. Thanks for tuning into this broadcast of Mad Ants Basketball.
Mes points vers palier suivant. Comment ça marche? Ah c'est plus un système de statistiques que t'augmentes toi-même? C'est des paliers genre? C'est vraiment sur de l'amélioration quoi.
Give me a second.
Think you own the court? You think you own this locker room now?
Nah, but I think I just scored more points than you tonight.
Ouh, ça flame ici. Wouh.
Same thing tomorrow night. And the next.
Ouh loulou.
That's all it is? Huh? That's what you think? Whoa, guys! Is that what you think is gonna happen?
Hey, it's
Huh?
okay, man, it's okay. I'm just trying to get under Marcus's skin. Let's work it.
Ça tourne ici, ça chatouille. Ça chatouille. On rigole plus, nous, on rigole plus. Alors ça fait des rêves. Ah, il fait le malin alors qu'il arrive pas à tenir sur ses guibolles, le frère.
Thanks, Joe. On the house,
Ou alors c'est Tatum. Je crois que c'est Tatum.
What?
C'est pas Marcus.
Breaded pork tenderloin? Come on, bro. This is an Indiana staple. It's also the only sandwich that can double as its own plate. Look at the size of that bag.
Yeah.
Man, all the big food shows have been gagging to get a piece of this here icon for years. Owner just shoes them off. Old school, Midwest, no desire for celebrity, only the work matters. You need to stop letting Marcus get under your skin, boy. I mean, he's arrogant, but you're so self-conscious, you'll eventually lose. It's gonna affect everything you do on the court, and then you're never gonna get to the NBA. No, come. We're only having lunch so you can find out how to get out of the city, right?
Look, I'm sorry, man.
Okay,
I just...
Only apologize when absolutely necessary. We need more ambition on this team.
So what's it like? You know, like the league?
No different to this. Yeah, players are faster, they can jump higher, of course they're the same size. Better hotels. You wanna know how to get in?
Deal with Marcus. You know, like make sure he doesn't mess up my chances with the
Here's
scouts.
an idea. How about you see Marcus as not a rival, but more of a teammate?
Why? He's not going to.
I mean, like, I grew up in Houston. Okay, I was a Rockets fan, do or die. That was my team. You know, it still is deep down. But you, young players, you were brought up in the system. You probably traveled around the country, you know, in camps and tournaments, and you were probably shuffled around by the AAU. You probably never really had a team, right?
Yeah, the Lakers, of course. The Heat.
Yeah, I'm not talking about respect. I'm talking about love. Okay, a love that charges you, feeds you, and that is the difference between a player and a legend. Show them at Ants that you're not just passing through. You show them that passion, the appreciation, and I promise you, none of the time you spend here will be wasted.
What's up?
You're Paul Tatum, right?
Yeah.
Look at that, man. You still get recognized. As you should.
You're AI.
Yeah. Hey.
You guys, both of you guys are like my favorite player on the Mad Ants.
Mad Ants, you a fan?
I'm Zach Coleman. Guys, it's the Mad Ants. It's the Mad Ants.
Mad
I
Ants!
told you it was them.
Fans.
Yeah, man, are you kidding? I mean, we watch every single game. This season has been so freaking exciting, dude. It's so awesome to know you guys are definitely going all the way.
Whoa, okay, let's just slow it down. I mean, it's long season.
You're right, Mr. Tatum. You know, one game at a time. But man, AI, I've seen you be under way worse pressure, and you always come through. When you hit that baseline jumper with 2 seconds left to send it to OT in that tourney game you played, man, legendary. Ice water in your veins.
Thank you, man.
Speaking of which, you guys good? Need a refill? It's on me.
Wait. So you know about me? You know how I deal, huh?
Honestly, if I can speak honestly,
Sounds like you can.
I grew up in this town my whole life, but I feel like I know this
Comment tu
world, man.
tutoies
I
en
know
anglais?
the game. Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat.
Sachant que
but I
vous
consider
utilisez
myself
pareil.
like a social media maven. I know how silly that sounds coming out of my mouth, but I'm serious, dude. Look.
Let me see this, man. Oh, look, you got 50,000 followers? Yo, what did you say you did?
51.4, but everything, dude. Ad campaigns. I boost the social media presence of all these local businesses. Right now, I'm driving people to the Wayne Grove. I'm helping this small coffee shop down by the river. They're outselling even the big guys by the courthouse, dude. But even if they weren't blowing up, I would make sure they were blowing up. But sometimes, it's just great to support a product that you actually believe in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, a coffee refill would be good.
I'm really close to this business being big enough to quit this job, but enough about me. What about you guys? I mean, the Mad Ants and you, AI, you guys don't have a social media presence. Nothing comes up.
I'm been a little busy playing basketball. Don't really
I'm
have
not
time
saying
for
that you
much
should worry about it, but maybe I should be worrying about it, man. Ever since you threw down that sick dunk on Corey Harris in Shanghai, you've been a social media ghost. I mean, do you have a social media manager? Because I could be your social media manager. Or just your regular manager if you don't have one of those.
You know what? I don't, but thank you though.
Hey,
Appreciate that.
Cool,
Yeah.
cool. All right. Think about it.
C'est pas lui qui disait qu'il en avait besoin? Unicom?
And I'm always gonna think about it. You know, maybe I'll get that one last ride. But you wanted advice. Be here. Now. Don't worry about what's coming.
You're good to Fort Wayne. She'll pay you back in full.
T'as vachement de cinématiques sur le 2019. Je kiffe. Ils sont vachement bossés dessus.
Yeah.
Listen, man, you saw them at the diner. Okay, we are kings around here. And yeah, sure, everyone in the NBA is a king too, but here it's different. You know, it's like your family's filling the stands in the high school gym. It's just a couple of farm boys playing one-on-one. Hey, what do you say to a couple of kings taking on the common folk in a game against the barn door?
Y'all need 2 more?
Oh, c'est... Ah, franchement, les mini-jeux comme ça, là. L'autre, il m'a agacé, mais je pense que celui-là, je vais kiffer. Let's go, hein. On va les grailler, les fermiers. Ça se trouve, ils vont me sauter dessus, ils vont me dunker sur la gueule. Ah, quand même, mon perso, il a du flow, hein. Niveau vêtements et tout. Ah oui, d'accord, je suis contre Tatum. Je suis contre Tatum et tout. Ah ouais. Ah oui, c'est même pas balle gagnante, c'est... D'accord. Putain. Ouais, mais j'ai le plus petit des deux aussi. En plus d'être meneur de jeu, quoi. Je tape l'ailier. Tatum, là. Channing Tatum. Je te jure. Ah oui. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Le boss qui fait le taf à ma place, ça c'est beau. Petite passe, tranquille. Ah gros. JPP. Il est tellement nul à chier mon perso. Même le plus commun des mortels, comme ils disent, il est plus fort. Oh là là. Oh, j'ai un mongolien à la place de mon perso. Vraiment. Niveau moteur, ça va pas trop quoi. Oh le... Je me fais déposer en 2-2 par un ailier gros, je suis meneur de jeu. J'arrive pas à le dribbler, je perds la balle quand je suis à côté de lui. Trop de prestance. Trop de prestance. Paul Tatum là. Bon, ça va être une déculottée je crois. Hein. C'est pas... ma plus big game. Ah oui. Mais... En plus, oh, il est fatigué quoi. J'avais pas annulé la fatigue, ça me casse les couilles. Eh ben, va falloir qu'il se repose le mien. Nice. Fait des feintes de tir. On travaille, on le travaille au corps à corps là. On est au rebond en plus. Ah, ça suit pas les calls. C'est pour reposer le perso là. Ah là ça rigole R là. Oh là là ça marque, ça marque. Par contre ouais le gars ils ont vraiment le terrain de basket devant la grange. Ah ça se met bien bah les petits fermiers là-bas aux États-Unis. Oh là là, le layback. Ah mais on se fait graille là. Starfou là. Tu sais cette défense, magnifique. Il va se faire graille. Peut-être... Ah non. Qui protège le rebond et tout. Pourquoi tu joues pas comme ça en match, Tatum? Ouf. Mais remonte directement! Marquage ouvert. C'est bien qu'ils te mettent ça là, un peu. Ça dunks! Eh Tatum, il commence à être fatigué, Tatum. Ah. Oula. Ah bah ouais, gros. Ah ouais, il faut viser la planche, hein. Je suis épuisé là. Oh Paul, respecte-moi un peu là. Oh, merde, je croyais que c'était nous qui étaient en attaque là. Ah ouais, rature défensive les gars, 11-6 hein, bien joué. On s'est pas fait exploser par Paul Tatum.
Be there the whole time. Oh, this is so bogus. We already have 3 road games coming up. Now we got to deal with this.
What's going on?
Directions to the Indiana State Fair. Charity booth again. Coach says we gotta take shifts, man, and meet and greet.
Says we with the Pacers group.
Dude, we'll be lucky to get near the cheerleading section. They do this every year. The Pacers get a choice position between the Ferris wheel and the Gravitron. They stick us at the end of the corn maze.
It could be fun. You know, meet with some local fans, make some new ones. All my time in Shanghai, I never even left my apartment.
Fairgrounds are nowhere near Shanghai, man.
I know. No fried chocolate brownies in China.
Hey, who are you and what have you done with AI?
State Fair, right, cuz? Isn't this fun? This is so fun. Oh, I'm having the best time. All right, step right up and get your picture taken with the Mad Ants. The Mad Ants right here. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Stay positive. We'll get some takers. We'll get some takers. Anybody want a picture with the Mad Ants? No? Okay. That's not cool. Okay, be quiet. I think I hear somebody in the corn stalks.
Oh, no, it's just a nest of rabbits, coach. I've been fooled twice already.
Rabbits? Really? How'd they find their way out of the maze? Hey, you know what? You're starting to bum me out with that negative attitude, eh? I think you gotta look on the bright side. We're all having fun here.
Speaking of which, coach, no one's come out of that maze for like 2 hours. Is there a point we should be like worried?
Oh, people can get out of there. I mean, I was stuck in there one time for 24, 48 hours, but eventually I ate my way out of there. You can eat as much corn as you want. That's the cool thing. Hey, maybe that's something we could all do. We could all go in there as like a team building exercise, right? Wouldn't that be fun? Where's Howie and Paul?
I think they went up front to see how much longer until the fair was over.
Until the fair's over? until the fair's over. Okay, now listen up. I'm sick and tired of people asking when the fair's gonna be over. We're all here to have fun. I'm having a great time. We should all be
Oula,
having a great time.
rigole plus le coach.
Sorry. Shouldn't have yelled.
Tu as, tu as pas les,
Shouldn't have yelled. Hey.
tu as pas des contrôles? Si, pourquoi? Mais c'est le problème, c'est que comme c'est le début de la carrière, notre personnage il pue la chiasse. Il est lent, il a aucun physique, il sait pas dribbler, et pourtant t'es meneur de jeu premier poste en début de game, genre ça a aucune logique. Mais bon, c'est pas grave. La seule logique que t'es nul, c'est que t'es dans une équipe nulle, parce que Manant, qui connaît ça quoi? C'est pas une NBA. Notre personnage veut pas être en NBA quoi. Peut pas en tout cas. Mais ils ont vachement bossé les cinématographiques. Waouh, oui. Le style cinématographique quand même, parce que c'était pas aussi poussé que ça les
Oh, come on, man. Look at it like this. If we
les
lose
cinématiques
tomorrow,
du
it'll
jeu.
be the second most embarrassing thing to happen to you this
Avant
week.
c'était vachement fat, t'avais genre 2
I'm
minutes.
just joking.
Gros là t'as 15 minutes par match quasiment.
Corn maze.
The corn maze is not a bathroom.
Little help there, big fella? Wow. Nice throw. Crisp chest pass. Old school. I like that. I like that. Now, feels like you might have the skills for a little ball.
Nah, man, I'm good.
I know you're good. I can tell. You have the look of a winner. What I'm asking you to do is prove it now and sink some shots. What do you say?
Nah, man, I'm good. I got somewhere to be. Next time, though. All right, I'm gonna keep my $5 for now.
Okay. Look, I can tell you're a man of uncommon intelligence and savvy. So for you, my best deal. Check it out. $3, 4 balls.
Thank you, man.
Oh, come on, man. Get a prize. The girl you're trying to impress here.
You heard him.
Oh là là, tchatcheur hein. On fait pas des tchatcheurs nous un peu là?
You want me to sink some shots, huh?
Mainly, I'm just trying to score that stuffed elephant.
Je te jure c'est une fausse meuf, c'est justement elle fait partie du
Oh,
truc.
yeah?
Mhm.
Elle fait partie de la combine.
Not the green one? I mean, I know it's smaller, but I don't know. Something about those eyes.
Okay. I kind of see it. There's something there. An underdog. Let's get it.
Okay, great. You gotta sink 4
Elle est
shots
pas
in
assez
a row
bossée
before
le
you
visage de la meuf pour qu'elle soit importante.
Such a tall order. I don't know. What do you think?
If I didn't know any better, I'd say y'all were working me for both sides.
The shot clock's ticking.
Let's both shoot. When we shoot together, then she gets the green one. Does that work for you?
In the name of love, here we go.
All right, all right.
One down for the lady. As it looks.
On est pas un joueur de basket. T'arrives même pas à un truc qui est même pas à distance d'un lancer franc gros. Ah mais c'est pas possible, c'est fait exprès. Le problème c'est on a, je sais pas, j'ai aucune preuve que c'est fait exprès. Ça se trouve c'est moi qui pue la merde, j'en sais rien, mais ça m'étonnerait quand même.
No kidding.
C'est chaud.
Nerves get you on that one?
Doesn't appear to be your game, sir.
Well,
Man. Might as well get this over with.
You said it.
Could you just back up a bit, please?
Just doing my job.
Mais gros j'en mets aucun, mais c'est... Oh, c'est pas possible. Tu peux pas avoir un personnage pro comme ça qui arrive même pas à mettre un panier.
Open for another go?
Nah, that's it, man. I know when I'm beat. You got a real shot. I'm impressed. And I don't know what happened to me. It's my job to make those. Man, I must have been nervous.
I'm thinking less about the nerves and more about the elbow flare on your release.
Okay, so
Œil.
you are a ringer then.
I mean, let's just say I'm a firm believer in the fundamentals.
All right, see, that sounds like something that only a player would say. So what's the real resume here?
I was a starter in high school and bench warmer in college, which coincidentally is also the name of my still unwritten memoir. What about you? What's making the shots a part of my job thing?
I'm a Mad Ant.
Mhm.
It's the local basketball team in the G League.
Yeah, no, I'm aware of them. I've been to a couple games. I just, yeah, I don't recall reading about how the Ants were signing a player with frayed nerves, though.
Okay, shots fired. Wow, throwing shade at a total stranger on day one. Okay, I see you.
My friends and enemies call me Nikki.
AI, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Whoa. Where have you been, Smiler, huh? Playing carnival games?
Everyone was saying you needed some alone time after Coach cut through your paper-thin skin. Oh, their words.
All right, for your information, gentlemen, you were looking at a man who has just secured a date.
Oh, no! With a carny?
No, not with...
Oh, you don't want to mess with
C'est-
the law. You can't get
I promise, one of these days you're gonna make a joke worth laughing at, Howie. I promise you. I'm gonna shake your hand when you do.
Yeah, I don't think it was a joke.
Yeah, let's just call it a cautionary tale.
Hey, Zach. It's Zach, right?
Yeah, AI.
Hey, how you doing, man? Good to
Dude.
see you.
So right after you left, I got to thinking,
Ah, lui.
what if I could cut together some clips from some of your sickest plays over the last couple years and make a sizzle reel? Now, there's not a whole lot online, but I was able to track some down. What do you think?
Whoa. Man, where did you find all this?
Man, I just told you I made it.
Wait, you made this just since we met at lunch?
Yeah, it doesn't take long. Rip some clips, editing software, add some music, done.
And you can put all this on social media?
I can make this set fire to social media, like crash sites. Maybe not actually do that, you know. I have this problem with overpromising. I'm trying to catch myself when I start to do it. But we're doing pretty good so far, man. 1,500 retweets already.
People are taking notice.
We're gonna make them take notice, dude. You give me a couple days.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Hey, would you like to be my new social media rep?
Full time?
I mean, don't get ahead of yourself. Also, I can't get ahead of myself since I can't really afford full time, so...
Hey, no worries. I'm gonna be working all the time anyway.
All right, well, come to the game tomorrow then.
I will be there. And maybe try and hit some stuff to help me diversify the reel, like assists. Maybe a triple-double?
I'll see what I can do.
All right.
All right, baby.
Allez, nouvel agent de com.
Yeah, I hear it's a totally different experience if you go through the exit and the corn's kind of looking away from you. It's very, very awesome. Come on.
Tay, you come too. You can come.
Well, he did not just call me Tay-Tay.
Tay-Tay. Ouh. Commence à avoir de l'intérêt. Ah ouais, ça rigole plus, hein. Jouer les matchs suivants. Remporter un match avec les nets. Réussir au moins 10 passes décisives. Why 10 passes décisives?
Surprised you made it on time.
Always on time, baby. Gotta make sure I'm ready to put on a show for the fans.
You're the new PR guy. How you doing a couple radio shows and TV shows this afternoon, talking yourself up.
Man, look who just rented a condo in your headspace. Hey, look, if you're not careful, I might just buy the whole building.
Okay, so you got jokes, huh? You ever get tired of hearing your own hustle?
There it is. My first down payment.
So it's all you now, huh? Just you and baby Zuckerberg?
Zach's on all the Mad Ants, alright? This exposure's good for all of us. We all win.
Mad Ants aren't going anywhere. He needs to just focus on looks from the league. Everything else is a waste of time.
So what, you think that he's gonna help you with the scouts too?
I know he's going to help you. But you're in my way.
Oh là 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 là.
Nah,
Il
these
fait la
guys-
grosse pointure quand même, hein.
Nets, they just brought him over. Vladimir Paler,
I didn't see a Vlad on the roster.
their center.
Andre Haji?
Right, yeah, but they call him Vladimir Paler.
Hey man, don't sweat it, Howie. Whoever he is, we got this.
Oh, you know something I don't?
Yeah. I read up this morning on Wayne Hoops HQ. The blogger called us out, saying that the key to this game is neutralizing Hashi. And the only way to do that is to get everybody involved, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Are you looking to get a triple-double?
I'm looking to win, baby. Win!
Un triple-double, bien sûr. Je vais pas faire 10-10-10 les gars. Hein.
I'm Blake Suniga alongside Tim Swartz and Brian Banafitemi. We've got Mad Ants basketball for you as they take on the Long Island Nets.
And of course, the player to watch out for the Nets is Andre Haji, better known as Vlad the Impaler, a monster of a big man that is a top talent.
Nice, nice, nice.
And with
On rigole
Vlad
plus
on
ici.
one side and AI and Marcus Young on the other, you can expect a lot of beautiful basketball being played.
Well, the Mad Ants will have their work cut out for them. We'll see if they're up to the task as this game unfolds here tonight.
And of course, AI, a name that might sound familiar to college hoops fans, had a good run, a big game in the Sweet 16, but ultimately the team came up just short. Still, showed some great potential in what was his final year.
Now here's AI. Here's the pick. Shot clock at 5. A shot by Young, no good.
And for Long Island, Vlad is the star of the team, but to top to bottom, they have talent.
Absolutely. They provide a tough matchup for teams because they can run so many sets from inside and out. Reminds me a little bit of how the Denver Nuggets are constructed.
Yeah, great point, Brian.
Haji down low. Triggs there. Yes, it's good.
Dommage.
A wonderful inside score, really like an old school big man. You gotta like watching Haji do his thing down there.
About a minute and a half through the first quarter. Pass to Young. Yes, and it's AI picking up.
Ah, peut-être faire 10 passes décisives ça quand tu joues comme ça là.
Game in and game out. His offense will be there for them.
Picked by Haji. Takes the 13-footer.
Aïe aïe aïe.
Iron and sinks the shot.
You gotta take Kelsey seriously from there. He likes mixing in his mid.
Oh gros, mais non, mais non.
Whenever he can.
And AI and the rest of the Mad Ants were
Ah,
involved,
point sur ballon perdu, ça fait mal ça.
State Fair.
Je regardais pas mon joueur, j'étais en train de regarder ceux qui perçaient la défense là. Ah, attends, j'étais là mon gars.
AI outside. Pass to Trigg. Tatum. Andrews defending. Off the pick. And the Mad Ants tack on 2 more.
Still got some tricks up his sleeve. When Tatum is pulling off these moves, the defense has to feel helpless.
Oh là, lui c'est dribblé par contre.
Rebounded by Trigg. One thing you have to admire about Coach Keller is his commitment to having the team stay involved with the community.
When you create an atmosphere like that within a locker room in the surrounding city, you get more than the sum of your parts. Keller inspires his players by really making what they do larger than the results on the floor.
Timeout called, the Nets.
Looks like he saw some things out there that needed adjusting, and it's going to take a little time to talk it over.
Yeah, never a bad idea to use a timeout.
Là on est concentré là. On a pour faire nos 10 passes décisives. Hein. Pas pour trier les lentilles.
And we played just over a minute of basketball in the second quarter. Takes the 13-footer, and he misses it off the right side of the rim.
And Andre Haji, better known as Vlad the Impaler, he is a handful of a center. Does everything you want from a big man, including scoring, defense, and setting up others on the offensive end.
AI outside. A beautiful reverse layup.
And solid point guard
On commence à montrer du jeu un peu là.
Daniels,
On reprend les mouvements de NBA 2K18. On n'a pas le même skill du tout, mais on reprend.
Covered by AI.
C'est le début, c'est le début.
Tries from 7, and a kind
Dommage.
roll that time on the rim as that one falls in. And with
On va
Haji,
pas élever les cochons ensemble, ok?
it is the ability to create for others that's so special.
Very special.
Pick and roll.
Very skilled, very smart player. And, you know, it's rare to see a player of his caliber, class,
Voilà, comment gratter des passes décisives.
matter of time before he catches on with an NBA squad. You just know there are scouts here watching him play.
Well, there's got to be teams that could use that kind of playmaking ability.
Absolutely.
Haji, no good.
Tatum.
Tatum, a Houston
Tai Tai.
And Tatum was a huge Rockets fan growing up.
Timing excellent qu'ils disent.
Passing out there, fellas. I mean, 8 of the last 10 points have been assisted on.
Some great passing. They keep finding the open man.
Defense! Defense!
And no good. The Mad Ants go the other way.
Ouais, par contre, pour faire 10 rebonds, pour faire un triple double, ça va être compliqué.
Locked in offensively.
They sure have, staying aggressive and playing in control.
Stolen by Andrews. Deflected.
Comment ça, je suis sur le pivot là? Ah non, c'est l'ailier fort en fait. Pousse-toi! Je veux passer par là!
Gets a three-pointer to fall.
J'allais dire, s'il y a rupture défensive là, je bégaye.
Any room. You shoot off the pass, and he'll make use of it.
And here's Tatum. Here's Randolph. Andrews defending. Here's AI.
Ah!
Blocked by Andre Haji. Outside Andrews. Now here's
On s'est pas fait bâcher nous?
out to the left wing. Here's Haji. Uses the
Oh là 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 là. On a pris un bâche de l'espace par contre.
They really run the offense through him.
Every set
Oh là là, je coupais la
makes
raquette.
the best use of having an elite center in the middle. Haji is a great presence on the floor, and it's no surprise they built the offense around him.
6 on the shot clock. Randolph. Great pass to set up the land.
This is what scouts like to see. AI looking committed to sharing the rock with his guys.
Ah ouais, on s'améliore dans la communication nous hein.
Now here's Kelsey. The right
Pousse-toi, pousse-toi, poussez-vous, poussez-vous. Vous me bloquez, vous me bloquez.
The shot from the low post is good.
And guys, in this quarter, he's
Oh,
improved
t'en es
on
plus
the
meneur de
road
jeu
with a
quoi.
very good performance in period number 1. It's been really impressive.
And the head coach of the Mad Ants, Gordon Keller. He's a back to the basics kind of coach. He's going to drill the fundamentals and accountability to this Mad Ants roster from the first whistle to the final horn.
Just 2 seconds between the shot clock and the game
Oh non.
clock. And so it looks like the Knicks retain possession here. The first half comes to a conclusion in a game that is
Dommage, dommage, dommage. Notre seul problème c'est qu'il reste du temps au chrono. Aïe 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 aïe. Ça taunt. En gros il n'y a pas de souci quoi. Tout roule. Bon, le seul problème c'est que je suis toujours en C+, alors que je fais un bon match quoi.
What a first half it was for him. Surpassing his average point totals up to this stage.
Yeah, he's on pace for
Ah ah.
Tim Swartz.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? Je viens de faire marcher là?
It's too bad he can't score like this every night.
well, it has been said
Retour en zone.
doesn't make it any less true.
Comment je peux faire retour en zone là?
Loves their basketball.
And it's one reason why a team like the Mad Ants
Je suis
has
deg.
such a devoted fan base.
Je suis en deg là, de retour en zone, what the fuck hein,
By Haji, no good.
c'est impossible. On est où là?
Screen by AI.
Ah, par contre je prends des coups de physique.
Trig a screen. Shoots the three. And that
Ouf.
Marcus Young
Je prends des coups de physique par contre.
on the floor. You know he is going to be a threat to score.
Offense just comes so easy to Young, and he knows it. You hope he finds a way to expand his game, but when you need a bucket, he is such a good option to have.
And the whistle.
Ouf, pas décisif, pas amenant en faute. Là on monte, on monte, on monte. On monte, on monte, on monte. 6 passes décisives, 4 rebonds. Ah non, 1 rebond, 4 points. Bonne passe que 2, Miskina.
And a minute played as the second half gets going. And they could use a big shot here to get this offense going.
Yeah, too many empty possessions. I mean, it's simple. They need points.
Pass to Nelson to the right side. Rebounded by Trigg.
Not how you want to kick off the second half with these great misses.
And with Marcus Young, perhaps the first thing you
Pouh,
notice about him
quelle
is
vision de
his
jeu de
ability
ce
to
meneur.
stay on the court.
On n'est pas au-dessus du lot nous?
Always looking
Si, je crois bien. Hein.
for a weakness or catch a
Aïe.
defender slipping up.
Cours, cours.
Sometimes he'll get too
Par contre j'en ai marre d'être
focused on
body block par l'ennemi gros.
I'd say it's worthwhile
Mais rupture défensive, je suis dessus, j'arrive pas à passer devant. Vous avez le pire jeu aussi. Trop mal codé ça.
I think it will change this one. I mean, that could be an instant momentum shift. That was just a rim rattler.
To the left side wing. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Here's AI. Yeah, he can't hit that time.
Dommage.
Excellent D there by Al Kelsey.
Even with that miss, they're shooting 75% coming out of the break. Very good start to the half.
Pass to Andrews. Joseph, the screen.
Putain, ce système de fatigue il m'agace.
Nelson outside. Shoots over Young. Nets keep it alive. Kelsey, covered by AI. Nelson outside. Here's Haji. Tries again. And he
Well on the glass. The Romanian superstar is fantastic at reaching out and snagging second chance opportunities.
Well, I'm not sure
Sors de la raquette, putain.
the local news, but
Aucune physique du jeu quoi.
some of the Mad Ant players played a pickup with some of the locals.
Yeah, a sight to see for sure. I believe it was AI and Tatum in a 2-on-2 game. You know, small things like that are what makes this team so endeared in Fort Wayne.
Yeah, they really love him out here.
Tir forcé, non?
Sometimes, you know, hit that deep three. But on the whole, it's not a very well-advised shot.
No, even for him and even for me, that's just too far out.
First free throw is good.
And energetic.
Il manque 3 passes décisives. Histoire de faire le défi.
Puts it up off the inbound. No good on the shot. A bit long that time. AI outside. Tipped to take the lead. Carter. Second shot opportunity. And the layup is good. Howie Carter.
Dommage.
almost in
Bon, au moins j'ai pas la perte de ballon qui
but he is a
me
valuable
détruit les stats là.
Oh, absolutely. He can give them a spark on occasion, but he's one of those glue guys. Fantastic chemistry with the rest of the team, and he just knows his role.
to the middle. And the
Oh là 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 là. Farming des passes décisives avec ce bloc là.
Know-how from AI. Perfect timing on the pick and roll.
Il a beau pas savoir shooter, niveau bloc il est pas dégueu notre petit pivot là.
Haji. Second chance shot. And a good offensive. And he gets the bucket.
He's
En
made
niveau
his share
rebond
of
c'est pas
clutch
ouf non plus.
buckets here in the fourth. Definitely doing his part.
AI outside. Inside.
Oh non!
By Andre Haji. Here's Russell. Rebounded by the Mad Ants. Here's Calderon. Buries it from three-point range.
Well, they certainly haven't
Il vient de loin,
hesitated
celui-là.
to let it fly from deep here in the second half.
And I don't have a problem with that either, Tim. I mean, as long as they're falling, right? Just don't get too conservative trying to milk the
Attention,
lead.
attention, il va shooter, rebond.
You shot it every time you touched it.
That's true.
Ah, fais la passe, je suis tout seul gros, j'en peux plus.
Haji covering. Back to
Ouvre tes
Carter.
yeux quoi.
Tatum outside. Randolph. Outside Carter. The putback. He hangs in
Nice.
there and cashes in
Il
on
me faudrait la balle histoire que je fasse des passes décisives peut-être.
Cannot be left alone.
Vraiment hein.
'Cause if you do, it'll be buffet style all day long.
Bon faut 1 par minute là de passes déc.
Here's Haji. Offensive rebound.
Il reprend tous ses rebonds lui, ils sont nuls à chier nos pivots.
To Haji in these moments, he delivers. Such poise from the Romanian.
AI defended by Nelson. Down low. And so it looks like the Mad Ants will retain possession here.
Par contre déjà appelle la balle. Finis ton bloc. Gros il a posé le pied, il a fait 0 bloc ici là.
Shot clock at 6. To the paint. Randolph. That shot no good. Nice D from Ted Nelson.
Baggy.
Pass
Le
to
gars il a un an de pantalon miskina.
Back to Nelson. Yep, that goes.
Well, this is why Nelson is out there for the big
Non! Je pouvais juste diriger mon stick pour faire une passe. Comment je peux être habitué à FIFA alors que j'y joue pas quoi? Putain mais le gars protégé, mais c'est quoi ce pivot? Le nôtre il se fait boycott hein, vraiment. Le gars d'en face protège ses propres rebonds et tout quoi. On a vraiment des belles billes avec nous. Voilà. Ça c'est beau ça. Mais tir forcé, y a pas de défense. Tir forcé de mon cul, ouais. Lui aussi il en tire forcé là ou pas? Pute. Espèce de pute. Pute chauve. Je trouve ça ouf. Ah ça va jouer le temps de ouf là. Ah putain. Non! Oh là là. Il y a prolongation. Prolongation. 3 minutes, c'est tout. Woo! Ah dommage.
About Joseph is that he's a coach on the floor, someone his teammates look up to, and that's what you want in a leader. Pass to Randolph. Now AI to the middle.
Mip.
Stolen by Joseph. Now here's Kelvin.
Putain mais je me retape le C+ là. Place-toi en flure. Ouais, faut que je réfléchisse plus aussi. Yes. C'est ça parce que je veux le bonus, je m'en bats les couilles de win. Je suis en bonus de carrière là. Wouh, allez, 10ème passe décisive. On est monstrueux nous. Ah, on a beau pas s'aimer, je lui fais des passes. On est là hein. On est là.
Shot by Haji, no good. The Mad Ants leading.
Attends, on va jouer le temps un peu.
And here is AI. Down low. Trigg. And the officials whistle a foul on the shot.
J'ai eu peur sur cette passe, honnêtement. Chez moi, ça passait pas du tout. Là je méritais. Hein.
For a big, being able to create those and-one opportunities is a good way to stand out at this level.
And it's Long Island's ball. Pass to Haji. Around 2 minutes into OT now. It's been a good one.
Et il récupère tous ses rebonds, lui.
One item that stood out is their ball movement.
Things are definitely clicking, and more importantly, it's tough to defend. And they're not finished yet. They're going to make sure about this.
Dommage, hein, triple double ça aurait été possible si je pouvais prendre plus de rebonds avec ma petite taille, mais le pivot il rigole. Hop. Ah merde, je suis en défense.
Shot to stop the run. It's hauled in by the Mad Ants. Pass to Tatum. Yes, and it's AI picking up the assist.
Well, if you ever had the chance to talk to Paul Tatum about basketball, you can really just tell how passionate he is about the game. You pick any topic about the sport or any part of the game's history, and he'll chew your ear off about anything until the sun comes up.
The three from Marcus Young gets the three-pointer.
Je crois qu'ils auraient pas dû jouer à prolongue les gars en face. Hein. Aïe aïe aïe, ce qu'ils prennent. Ce qui était un match serré n'est plus. Hein.
Here's Haji. Will not
Oh les rebonds.
off the front iron.
Well, overtime not clearly as competitive as regulation. They used up all their energy just getting to OT.
Outside Young. Randolph. And here's AI outside. And
Oh là 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 là.
Chalk up a few more points for them.
Oh là 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 là. Pouh. Petit tir dernière seconde là. Ouais, je vous ai dit, on n'est pas là pour trier les lentilles. Nous on est là, c'est pour gagner en prolongue
fantastic performance from the
et leur mettre la pâtée. La pâtée. Parce qu'honnêtement là ce qu'ils ont pris c'est la pâtée. D'une, j'ai réussi à sortir de mon méfait du C+. J'ai fait mon double-double, pas mon triple-double. 10 points, 10 passes décisives, on est pas mal. On est bien, on est bien. Je distribue, c'est l'important. C'est le plus important. J'ai réussi à passer cette merde là, ça me saoule.
What's your
Name.
name? You're working hard, right? Fighting.
Yeah, but I keep slamming into this wall.
Why?
I don't know. I'm doing everything
Oh, Thatcher.
I keep my head down. I grind.
But you're still hitting that wall. So climb over it. Find your way around it. Dig a tunnel underneath it. Do not think about this wall as a barrier. Think about it as a question.
What's the question?
When I was a little kid, I wanted a big sounding job, right? Just like everybody else. I wanted to be a doctor, lawyer, president.
Astronaut. I want to be an astronaut.
Right, right. But then I got older and my heart told me something else. Words. I loved how they sounded when I gave them context, purpose. I knew I wanted to be great at it. And
J'ai du mal à croire qu'elle devienne importante elle.
everyone
Parce qu'elle a vraiment une sale gueule.
told me that it was impossible because of the barriers, right? I'm a female. The odds, the competition, I'd never be able to make it as a living. And unfortunately, they were right. Every single door that I knocked on was slammed in my face.
But you knew they were wrong.
I knew that I could write, but I had to think about why I was being rejected. What were my flaws? Regroup, rethink.
You went over that wall.
I built a ladder.
So, what happened?
Oh, it all fell apart, and now I just troll around at carnivals looking for stuffed animals to complete my collection.
Oh, right. See, that's impossible. Can't be done.
No, now I have a great career. And it pays me enough that it's my only job, and it continues to grow. I am a sports writer and owner of Wayne Hoops HQ.
Wait, Wayne, that's you? that's amazing. I read you like all the time. I always thought you were a guy.
Oh, okay, because girls can't write about sports.
Nah, the exact opposite. I always thought it was written by a dude named Wayne.
No, I'm just messing with you.
Okay.
I get that all the time.
Yeah, your piece about Ben Simmons' development as a passer, man, I read that like 50 times.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh là, tcha.
I did feel
Ça
like
c'est
my
complimenter les
application
femmes.
was kind of touchy territory and crossing a line, so I kind of wanted to
Ce genre de disquette quoi.
see how this went before I told you about it. What I do is very important to me, so anything that could call that into question is a red line.
Yeah, I totally get that.
Toi j'ai pris un râteau là. Je crois pas avoir lu.
Something before you leave.
C'est moi la rate rouge. La ligne rouge.
Yeah,
What is-
company on your
no.
walk home.
Thank you. Thank you for this giant elephant.
No, you won't look creepy at all. Just tall guy, his stuffed animal.
I know exactly where this is going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
Rhymes with ashcan?
Ouh, bah alors la ligne rouge elle a pas été franchie là. Tchatcherba. Rien que ça roule tes pelles.
It's your boy AI coming at you from Fort Wayne, Indiana, all by way of China and the Shanghai Bears. What's up to my people out there? What's up, Wei? What's up, Zhang? What's up, Coach? Hey, Corey Harris, I'm coming for you, man. I'm not gonna take it easy on you, but man, we're gonna have a good time. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be good. How was that?
Not magic, but it works. Yeah, it works really well actually. It's real. It's unfiltered, you know. It's gonna give me something to cut into the gameplay so that people get to know the real you.
Yeah, maybe, but I don't know, man. Like, I don't want to come off like I'm just trying too hard to promote.
Oh trop bien.
I want my game to speak first.
Your game is gonna speak for you, man. I'm gonna speak for you. There's nothing wrong with having a couple more voices in the room.
Look, hey, you gotta keep your wrist loose, all right? You're shooting too flat.
Elle est vraiment nulle en 3 points.
The one with the game coming up. I know. Look, one more time, okay? Wrist loose, elbow in. Woo! That's right, baby. Feels good, right?
It does.
Hey, so you think I screwed up with Nikki?
Voilà.
What, on that date?
Yeah. I think that she thinks I'm nervous around her now since she's a reporter.
Are you nervous?
Well, maybe, I guess, but I mean, it's not like because she's a blogger. I mean, I think about her all the time, like she's in my head, man. Like, it's
Oh il est amoureux.
it feels
Pouh.
right. It feels like something's happening.
Wow. The unflappable AI finally getting butterflies.
I mean, I don't know, man. It's kind of like what Paul was saying about the city. Like, I've had girlfriends before, but not like this. Something about her just makes me feel like I'm home.
What? We open on the two of you driving through Amish country. You're going through one of those covered bridges. New idea. Yeah, you're wearing those hats and overalls. Yeah. You open it up on the 2-lane blacktop. You see those rows of corn going by. She's looking at you, and you can see it in her eyes. And you go, "This is good, man. I can sell this. What are you doing this weekend?"
All right, let's reel it in, Zach. Let's reel it in. All right, let's sell the game. Okay, let's focus on the game.
There's no line anymore, AI. It's all the same brand. You want to get to the next level? This is what you have
Let's
to do.
keep it at the game for now, okay, man? Come on.
That's not enough.
Well, it has to be. Okay? For now?
Fine. Yeah, for now.
Ouh. Ah là on commence à régner un peu. Comment ça les Grizzlies ils nous volent pas? Ils sont sérieux? Après il est parti à la retraite donc c'est pas grave. Remplacez le match contre Skyforce, prenez le meilleur des dragons. Sur le dragon. Effectuez 3 passes décisives pour le tatou.
Most exciting part of the G League this year. The NBA is not far away. Oh, AI, yo, check out what your boy said about your boy.
Hey, man, get that phone out my face, Marcus. Come on.
Wait, no, come on, you're gonna hear about it anyway. I mean, it's everywhere.
Look, Corey Harris ain't the only player in the NBA.
Whoa, look. It's not just Corey Harrison. All of the Lakers are retweeting it. The timing could not be better for me. I mean, I got scouts coming to the stands. They don't want to miss the show. This is like chess. So who's running space and who's head now, huh?
Yo. I don't want to disrupt your flow there, Bobby Fischer, but the scout ain't here for you. He's here for the Flying Dragon.
Please, I would have heard about
He's
it.
the Heat's new forward from China, and he is knocking on the door of a 48-inch vertical.
You're talking about Han Shi?
Huh?
Yeah, the Flying Dragon.
Yeah.
He was on the Jets in China. I guarded him when he played us in Shanghai. He showed me up then, but I know his game now. I can take him.
No. The Dragon's mine.
See, this ain't about just showing off some scouts, Marcus. This is about winning the game, man.
Hey.
This dude.
Forget about him. He may be here to scout the Dragon. Doesn't mean you can't take his attention. Take it.
Yeah, but I can't beat the Dragon by myself. But your game plays specifically to his weakness. So I'm gonna set you up all night, and we're gonna take that Dragon down together.
All right.
Hello and welcome everyone to South
Ouh les cheerleaders. Ouh.
Tim Swartz and Brian Bannister. We have Mad Ants Road action for you tonight.
Ah mais c'est lui.
Travel in to take on the Sioux Falls Sky.
Il est pas du tout asiatique lui.
The Mad Ants can boast
Han
of
Chi.
position in China.
Han Chi n'est pas du tout asiatique.
They can claim the same thing. Tonight,
Après il peut être
we're
asiatique
so
sans
excited.
hybrider
We'll
mais...
get a chance to look at the man they call Flying Dragon, a fantastic forward prospect.
And it makes sense that the Skyforce land a flying dragon, right? You see what I did there? From
Oh
all
ça
the
travaille, ça
way,
travaille.
Hanshi is pure
Pourquoi je fais pas passe def?
takes off into the air.
Well, we're gonna see if young AI and crew can tame the dragon soon enough. And without a doubt, Sioux City has been energized since bringing the Flying Dragon onto the roster.
Boy, when you add a dynamic athlete like the Flying Dragon, it brings a spark to the whole team. We saw the same effect happen when the Mad Ants got AI.
Here's Tatum. Terrific design on the pick play, and he lays it.
Passe décisive aussi hein.
You can see how comfortable
À la
Tatum
base
is.
ça vient d'une passe quand même le...
When he should be taking these
Son petit
shots.
point là. Bon c'est pas trop grave non plus, ça fait 5000 ans mais...
Flying Dragon
Ça la fout.
States. The numbers and performances he put up in China were absurd. And you just know that a team
Et il joue vachement sur lui hein. Il a isolement rapide et tout le gars.
Now here is Evans.
Oh le con.
And it's good. Fought through contact, hit the shot, and he'll go to the line. His first trip to the free throw line for him.
Han Chi, il m'a déposé le frérot. Parce que je pensais être en retard mais non.
Well, from what we've seen so far, Hanshi relies on his leaping ability, his athleticism, his aggression. He needs to improve the shooting range, though.
Well, the Mad Ants were excited to land AI, and he's continued to improve his game since he's arrived.
He has put in work and is razor sharp in his focus. Sometimes a player is a late bloomer, and that might be the case with AI, given how he's
Ça se passe pas bien là. Pas bien. Vraiment pas bien là.
First quarter play with about a minute and a half gone by. Ducey, he's covered by Tatum. Outside Han. Poked away. They're running.
Well, you might remember Paul Tatum had some time in the NBA, and there's a chance he could make it back. A few good
Je pensais qu'il allait
performances
poster,
at the end of the
mais bon.
season. There's a chance he
C'est vrai
could
qu'on
go
est
back
que
to
meneur de
the
jeu quoi.
NBA.
Just into the game, first quarter of basketball. And off target on the 15-footer. And they have certainly been looking locked in offensively.
They sure have, staying aggressive and playing in control.
Off the pick. And again, it's Fort Wayne.
Tatum, je te fais des passes quand tu coupes, tu pourras au moins me donner une passe def quoi.
And even though he isn't the youngest player on the roster, he still has the makeup to help an NBA team for a stretch run. If he gets hot, he could end up a 12-man on a team looking for a veteran presence, but he has to show that he can still be an impact player by putting up numbers in games like this one.
Road life in the G League, it can be rough. Getting wins as an away team.
Oh là là, mais il me dépose tout le temps sur le démarre. Sur son démarrage quoi. Miskin.
Everything is stacked against you at times. And that's how you pick up second chance points. Stay active and be ready to react as soon as the shot goes up.
Pass to Tatum. AI. Now Young on defending. Off target there. That would have pushed the lead to double digits. And as you said, road wins in the G League are never easy.
No, they're never easy. Come on, Blake. And it's not just the opposing crowds. You're sometimes getting in town late.
Ah gros, Tatum. Tu la fous mon pote. Tu le sens mais là...
G-League players truly feel what it's like to experience road weariness.
I mean, I'm feeling it right now.
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
Well, you might have seen that.
Ça joue bien, ça joue bien.
Young recently, he's certainly a star in the G League.
Yeah, when you have
Que
the
je veux voir.
talent that Young does and are as driven and ambitious as he is, you're destined for great things. Definitely a name to watch in the G League.
Yeah, one to follow, definitely.
Now a timeout call by...
Comment ça on a des... Ok d'accord. Parce que j'étais sur le banc. Je suis rentré sur l'Ocefra. Ok, let's go.
The one thing with Coach Keller is that he wants to impact more
Oh, on
than
n'a pas notre
just
flyer là.
basketball knowledge to his players.
Absolutely. Coach Keller is of that vein where he wants his players to experience life outside of basketball, to be well-rounded men in the community.
Dragon volant là moi, je le graille.
Get behind and appreciate from him.
Yeah, he's just such a great coach on and off the court.
So many games are decided by which team wins the rebound battle, and that's held true in this one, Tim.
Yeah, Brian, their effort on the glass, it has given them the advantage.
Ah, une passe def.
Difference without question.
À Tatum.
Proving how dependable
Il nous en reste qu'une seule pour faire notre défi de carrière. Je sais pas si je pense que ça donne juste plus de pièces, mais pour l'instant on n'a pas vraiment d'utilité à ces pièces. À part en multi j'imagine. Et on n'a pas l'air d'améliorer notre perso via des points maintenant. Il y a plus par du temps de jeu. Et ça c'est beau.
Here's Daniels. Good, and the assist goes to AI.
There is no shaking Daniels. When he's locked in on the basket, it doesn't matter who's guarding him.
And we're just over 2.5 minutes into the second period. Misses off the right iron. Fort Wayne dictating the flow. They lead by the biggest margin of the game, 25. Grace with the bucket.
And their lead gets even more enormous. They played terrific basketball at both ends.
No doubt about it. I certainly can't think of an area where they've underperformed.
And neither can I.
Now here's Roberts. He hasn't yet put up any points in this one. And no good.
Ah, c'est bien de reprendre les rebonds un peu là.
Pass to Daniels. Out to Tatum.
Sors de la raquette, sors. Wouh!
AI with it, covered by Ducey. Daniels up and in, off to an efficient start. 2 for 3 from the field.
So that speaks to the intelligence of AI. Knows when one of his guys isn't being covered.
The way that AI has come out firing in his first few goes with the Mad Ants, there is talk that he could garner NBA attention.
Oh là.
Exactly, Blake. If he keeps performing like he has and doesn't slip up, you have to think NBA teams simply can't ignore him. But, you know, the one thing is he can't get caught up in that. Just needs to go out and keep improving his game.
Take it day by day. And they could use a big shot here to get this offense going.
Yeah, too many empty possessions. I mean, it's simple. They need points.
Here's Starks. Covered by AI.
Eh, mon perso, quand je lui dis de courir, il pourrait courir un jour.
Off the mark by Sioux Falls.
Aïe!
By Benny Ducey.
Of this is what coaches want to see. Effort, hustle, do
Aïe!
something there.
Deux fois qu'on se fait bâcher là dans cette VOD.
He needs here after not scoring a single point in the first quarter. You knew he wasn't going to stay scoreless forever.
Pass to Roberts. No good, and they can't put an end to this drought. The open shot by Bryson Daniels. Good, and the assist goes to AI.
Now this is confidence. When Daniels is shooting right off the pass, you know he's feeling it.
Ok, on va arrêter de jouer la balle.
Here's Starks. Roberts with the screen. And here's Troy Lee for three.
Really tough for this club right now. Trying.
And through the
C'est vraiment les grailles là.
lopsided
Un
affair.
petit peu 43-10. Ouh, notre seul problème c'est qu'il reste du temps au chrono.
Welcome back to the start of the second half. Big margin on our hands, but we'll see if that gap narrows down in the final two quarters. Without question, Trigg displaying his skills today.
His decision making has been flawless.
Retour sur le dragon sauteur là.
Quality shots from him in the
Oh
first
putain,
half.
mais c'est pas un dragon volant, c'est un dragon trop rapide.